This 2014 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3006 week is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features water heater, external shower, DVD player, smoke detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, TV, self-contained. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3006 week is 7,308 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.